Listen to me. If anyone ever told you, be he your family member, a politician, a friend, a colleague, whoever ever told you that your vote does not count, they are lying. And if anybody ever told you that whether you vote or not, they already know the winner of the election, they are not only lying, they are deceiving you.
That is why you don't understand that every time you shy away from voting, you've given these politicians opportunities to rig elections. They know vividly well that if every registered voter votes rightly for the right candidate, they don't stand a chance to rig elections and the will of the people.
So for a while you keep complaining, murmuring, perhaps lamenting, but on the day of election you'll be playing football on the empty roads of Nigeria. Perhaps sit back at home, throw some popcorn, watching TV, not minding how the choice of a leadership affects you. The power to elect or reject a leadership is in your fingerprint. No matter how much you desire good leadership and nation, it remains that there is no magic, no miracle, no power birthed in your tomb.
This is what you need to know. The solution to what you desire as a citizen lies in your fingerprint. If you like the state of things, you need to come out and vote to sustain it. And if you think things are not going right, don't sit at home. Use your thumb to change it. The biggest revolutions are not through guns or violence. They are voters' revolution through the ballot.
Who do you think benefits when you sit back in your house on election day without coming out to vote? Why do you think they continuously want you to remain ignorant of the power of your fingerprint? If you don't matter, why are they willing to pay lots of money just for your fingerprint?
You stay on social media all day shouting your support for a particular candidate, but on the day of election, you are missing in action. Talking is cheap. Let your words match your talk. Action.
The very moment that all eligible voters would understand the power they carry on their tongues, that is when politicians will stop taking us for granted. Hunger, poverty, insecurity, nepotism and economic woes cannot just be wished away. If you don't like it, you know what to do about it. The power to choose who leads you for the next 4 years is in your thumbs.
Come out and vote. Vote wisely. Don't print, power print.